If we want to be part of the future, then we need to understand what is happening to it. Because our future is made of what other generations have done in the past.
We have a fleet of about 25 buses countrywide. We hope to increase the fleet by adding more buses so that we expand our business, because we are planning to just cross the border to our neighboring countries. We are very much comfortable with the Scania bus and the service they give us. In fact, there's a bus that has covered more than 1 million kilometers and is still on the road. It's perfect.
At Scania East Africa, one of our core values is respect for individual. We are a big little company. We deliver big solutions and we're a staff of about 250.
Scania in East Africa is in the core business of selling and servicing trucks, buses and engines. We believe in a win-win proposition. We look at it that if Scania must win, we must have customers that are winning as well. We must have partners that we're working with, winning as well. And that we have what you can call a complete value proposition for the market.
Sustainable transport is a big item on Scania's global agenda, and this is because we recognize that our products have an impact on environmental degradation. At Scania East Africa, we try to embrace the technologies that have come up to enable us to reduce the effect that we're having on our environment.
The World Health Organization estimates approximately 7 million deaths annually from air pollution alone. In developing transitional countries, this is more so a problem because most of our emissions are coming from transport because we don't have a lot of industry. And in East Africa, we are seeing that vehicle fleets are motorizing at a very high rate. We are seeing doubling of fleets in about 8 to 10 years. Most of these vehicles are coming in used, and therefore the emissions that we are seeing from these cars are contributing heavily to the air pollution we're seeing here.
We have over the years invented things that bring us closer to each other. Consider planes, cars, trains and ships. This has made it possible for us to meet and share the human experience with each other. But in all of this, we shouldn't forget that each time a plane takes off, a train departs a platform, a vehicle is driven or serviced, the environment pays a price that it can no longer afford to pay. We must evolve because we cannot solve problems with the same thinking we used when creating them.
The vehicle is running on the roads, consuming fuel, emitting carbon dioxide, emitting NOx. We feel that it's very important that we try to up the game by introducing vehicles that are improving the livelihood of anyone in that environment. When we talk about our new truck generation, which we are now launching, the design work actually started 10-15 years ago, and we are very confident that the product we have in front of us has become the perfect choice for any operator around the world. Today, most of the vehicles here in East Africa actually run on Euro 2. We are making Euro 5 engines available here in Kenya, which will cut NOx emissions and particulate emissions with enormous dimensions compared to what we have today. So that is a vast improvement for the environment. What we also introduced is an enhanced interaction. You have hardware, which is the truck itself, and various types of software to improve the behavior of the driver in combination with our new vehicle. We have driver training, remote diagnostics, longer service intervals. All of this will help the owner of the truck to become more profitable and emissions in the environment to be reduced. So we would like to see that we as producers, together with the transport industry, look forward to minimize the commercial risks in relation to emissions in general.
The next generation Scania truck will be very much in line with the Scania's philosophies, but even better, it will provide greater fuel efficiency to a customer. The product has been tailored with huge considerations of driver comfort. At Scania, what we continuously want to do is to develop products that provide the driver with a clear view of the instrument panel and, of course, most important, comfort when it comes to driving. Every truck, which is part of the hardware that we sell, comes with its own service contract. Today, we've moved the service intervals for most of our truck and buses from 30,000 kilometers, which is possibly the market standard, to 60,000 kilometers. We are offering a unique feature in all the Scania products, both buses and trucks. And this is our very own Scania Fleet Management Solution. Scania's portal allows you as the owner of the truck to look at the truck position, fuel consumption, driver behavior, and most important, off-site diagnostics on the trucks. 60,000 kilometers sounds interesting to the market, but for us, it is more interesting to the environment because we're talking about an extra 80 liters of diesel less to the environment. Scania has got a special oil collection system whereby we don't dump our oil to the environment. It means that we've got contracted people who run the proper eco-friendly equipment. They come and collect our service oils and they dispose them correctly. Diesel is an important part of the business as well. Today, we've focused as Scania East Africa in reducing the amount of diesel consumed per kilometer by every truck and bus. We have done tests and we have testimonials that we have customers getting 2.9 to 3 kilometers to a liter of diesel. This for us is important because it means that you are reducing the CO2 emissions by the diesel units that go to the environment as compared to possibly trucks running Euro 0 or Euro 1 engines or Euro 2 that will have diesel consumption of nearly a liter to a kilometer and sometimes 2 kilometers to a liter.
Star Transporters is actually involved in transportation of goods. In 2015, we started our partnership with Scania and acquired 3 units. The vehicles are more efficient, get more kilometers to the liter. With the current push for cleaner fuels in the world, we're hoping we will move on to the Euro 5, which helps the environment. If I knew what I know now about transport, I would have started off with Scania. Well, Scania has actually revealed to me how much other transporters are actually missing out on.
We can make things better by embracing cleaner fuels, introducing proper legislation to govern and control emissions, reducing the importation of used vehicles with Euro 0 to Euro 3 engines, and increasing the motorization of Euro 4 to Euro 5 standards in our region.
We believe that by leveraging on our constantly changing innovation and technology, and by partnering with like-minded institutions and individuals, we can empower the local population, enrich the local economy, and provide businesses with sustainable solutions that speak to our core values of putting the customer first.
Globally, Scania is a pioneer innovator in manufacturing vehicles built with advanced engines that have less emissions and maximize on fuel efficiency to ensure the transport industry creates a world of mobility that is better for business and offers sustainable transport solutions for society and the environment.